Between the sun, protective styling, as well as just excessive exposure and manipulation, the summer months can leave our hair parched. So I'm bringing you 3 simple tips to take your hair from dry to moist, hydrated, luscious, ready for the winter months, ready for autumn. I always like to supercharge my hair just before the season changes. And today's video is brought to you guys by our friends over at Skillshare, and the first 1,000 of you to sign up using the link below will get a free trial of Skillshare premium membership. Jumping right in, our first tip is to detox and clarify. Clarifying essentially helps us to get all the buildup on our strands, including our scalp, off. This includes any products that are left over, anything that may be hindering our hair's absorption of other products, as well as moisture. I like to use bentonite clay, and if you're looking for a recipe, I'll link one below. But I like it because it has negatively charged ions, which help to clear buildup and detoxify the scalp. It also draws out toxins and heavy metals. It's also antimicrobial. But of course, you could also just use a standard clarifying shampoo. I really like Form Beauty's clarifying shampoo, so I'll link that below. So next, a deep intense treatment. I can't stress this enough. And I'm going to share the recipe of one of my favorite deep conditioners ever, which is my Cocoa Aloe Deep Conditioner. Not only is aloe vera cleansing for the hair and scalp, it's also anti-inflammatory. Aloe vera is the perfect plant to give you healthier, shiny, softer hair. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It's also very cleansing for the hair and follicles. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, C, and E. All 3 of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shinier hair. The B vitamins and folic acid are also contained within the aloe vera gel. Both of these components keep your hair from falling out. Coconut milk helps to moisturize and strengthen your hair. It's high in lauric acid, which is a medium chain fatty acid which has the ability to penetrate and strengthen the cuticle. It's also high in protein. It's full of micronutrients, including antioxidants such as vitamins C and E, as well as B vitamins. Its naturally fatty profile means that coconut milk has extreme moisturizing effects. It can help to restore both dry hair and scalp, acting as a powerful conditioner for damaged hair. Next, you're going to need an oil of your choice, and I'll just be using my hair growth oil mix. We're also going to use some vegetable glycerin. These last 2 ingredients are completely optional, but I will be including some panthenol for extra moisture and hydration, along with some rosemary antioxidant. So if you're like me and you enjoy learning new skills and just expanding your creative database, then you should check out Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspirational classes for those of you that are like me, that are curious or creative, whether you have knowledge in an existing area or you're just looking to learn something new. And I just wanted to show you guys some of the classes that I've recently been enjoying. So as you can see, I'm really trying to up my editing game and just brush up, because you know I've been in this for a hot minute now. I'm also taking a plants at home class by Christopher Griffin, whom I actually follow on Instagram at Plant Queen. So I was super excited to see him over here on Skillshare. And the great thing is there are no ads, because this platform is designed for learning, is designed for picking up new things. Membership costs less than $10 a month for an annual subscription. I will leave more details below so you guys can check it out. Told you that the last time was the last time, but you're singing the same. A great way to really benefit from this deep conditioner is to use a steamer. I don't know if you guys have steamers, if you own steamers, but a steamer is a great way to supercharge your hair for a new season. But I heard coach say you'll be on the bench while I'm Now, I know most of us don't like trimming our hair, but this is a great way to start a new season. Please get rid of those single strand knots, those raggedy ends, split ends, anything that is going to snag and cause you issues. And I know you're wondering, but Layla, you hardly took anything off. That's because I actually trimmed my hair last month, and this is purely for demonstration purposes. However, I do enjoy trimming my hair, and actually whenever I want a really banging twist out or braid out, if I have somewhere fancy to go, I will trim my ends so that it looks good, okay? But yeah, guys, definitely a trim. I can't even stress it enough. Look at that. Look at that. Look at we. We're ready for winter. We're ready for autumn. Our hair is in its best position to absorb all the products, all the things that we're going to do moving forward, including protective styling. And I have one more tip for you that I didn't mention in this video, but doing an oil rinse is actually one of the best ways to keep your hair super hydrated in the winter months. After you've rinsed out your deep conditioner, just apply your favorite oil to your individual sections and then go ahead and rinse it out, leaving a very light film on your hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.